In the heart of Tuscany, where rolling hills cradle centuries-old tales, the Pieve di San Giusto a Balli emerges as a bridge between epochs. This restored 11th century parish church invites us to witness a delicate dance between the echoes of history and the whispers of modernity. The complex comprises two primary structures: the ancient church and the adjoining vicarage. Over time, layers of history have settled upon these buildings, some bearing significant historical value, others more recent and less harmonious. The restoration carefully peeled back incongruent additions, revealing the authentic Romanesque character of the original structures. The facade, with its travertine stones, tells tales of bygone eras, while subtle contemporary interventions ensure its relevance today. Embracing a philosophy of listening to the monument, the restoration began with meticulous historical and material analysis. This informed a conservation approach that respected the building's original typology and morphology. Modern techniques were employed judiciously, ensuring structural integrity without overshadowing the historical essence. Inside, the spatial narrative unfolds with reverence. The church's nave, once the epicenter of communal gatherings, has been preserved to maintain its spiritual ambience. The vicarage, reimagined with contemporary functionality, now serves as a space for reflection and community engagement. Circulation paths have been thoughtfully redesigned, allowing for intuitive movement that honors the site's historical flow. Natural light plays a pivotal role in the ambience of the Pieve. Original apertures have been restored, allowing sunlight to filter through, casting dynamic patterns that shift with the day. These luminous moments highlight the textures of ancient stone and new materials alike, creating a dialogue between light and shadow. A restrained material palette ensures cohesion between old and new. Original travertine and brickwork have been preserved and, where necessary, complemented with contemporary materials that echo the tones and textures of the past. This careful selection fosters a seamless integration of restoration and innovation. Interior spaces are adorned with minimalist interventions, allowing the building's historical features to take center stage. Modern furnishings are unobtrusive, crafted from natural materials that resonate with the existing fabric. This understated approach ensures that the interiors remain serene and contemplative. The surrounding landscape has been treated with equal sensitivity. The small walled cemetery, a poignant reminder of the site's sacred history, has been preserved. Pathways and greenery have been introduced to guide visitors gently through the grounds, fostering a sense of peace and reflection. The Pieve di San Giusto a Balli stands as a harmonious blend of reverence and innovation. Through thoughtful restoration, Edoardo Milesi and Archos have breathed new life into this historic site, ensuring its stories continue to resonate. It's a place where the past is not only remembered but actively engaged, inviting all who enter to partake in its enduring legacy.